manufacturer in North America. Founded in 1992, NAPCO now manufactures a broad range of gasketed, solvent-welded, restrained joint pipes and fittings for a diverse range of markets including municipal water, sewer, and plumbing. Our commitment to providing responsive, reliable customer service is at the core of what we do. We have manufacturing and distribution facilities across North America to better provide you with timely responses and prompt delivery. Our research and development engineering team is among the largest and most innovative in the industry. They work tirelessly to drive product developments that deliver superior quality and value in your marketplace. NAPCO's parent company is Westlake Chemical, based in Houston, Texas. Westlake is a global manufacturer and supplier of olefins and vinyls, with manufacturing and technology facilities in Germany, China, Italy, and Japan, to name a few. Westlake operates 29 facilities in the U.S. with 9,500 employees worldwide. In the municipal market, NAPCO Pipe and Fittings produces PVC pipe for water and sewer applications in sizes 1/2 inch to 36-inch diameter, with a plant in Wichita Falls, Texas. The Certalock restrained joint PVC pipe system is the most proven and reliable restrained joint PVC pipe system on the market today. Now available in sizes 2-inch to 24-inch diameter, NAPCO continues to grow and develop this simple but robust solution. NAPCO fittings are manufactured for gravity sewer, plumbing, pressure systems, electrical, and DWV drainage fittings.